Okay, so welcome back to this video again, because I can't speak, the file got corrupted or whatever. Um, this is again pretty much the way I executed this morning, trading GER-30 in London session. So we'll kind of jump right into it. I think majority of you actually watched this video already, so I won't really. Actually, you know what? That's cool. I'll do it again, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. I'll do it again. Okay, anyways, so on the 4 hour time frame, I said that we were bearish because we broke below here. Like that's our most recent bearish structure to the upside. This up move to me is literally just a retracement until we close above this 4 hour high. Sorry, this 4 hour high here. No, even over. Sorry, this 4 hour high here. Isn't looking on the hourly time frame. I said that to the guys on the call. That the most recent bearish structure was literally from this low here. And I also said that if price was to close above this hourly high, I'd switch bullish. But whilst I was obviously watching it, new candle open and it kind of wicked through, and you'll see that like that. So I wasn't bullish until this candle close here. So I was initially just looking for sells just because of market opens candle. So that being said, I was pretty much only looking for sells today. I'll be real. We had 50-minute highs up here, 50-minute highs here, 50-minute highs up here as well. Also had another 50-minute high, like right up here. So that was pretty much all our buy side liquidity. We had sell side liquidity just down here, just in case again if we switched bullish. So I marked these just in case. But yeah, as you know, it literally obviously switches bullish. But anyways, boom, suit the low. I get a reaction back up. Wait, sorry, this is one of my liquidity as well. This high. So boom, we suit that 50-minute high. Oh, this must look really trippy because this is red. But boom, we suit this 50-minute high right here. This is where I'm looking for like a break of structure to the downside. So like literally from this low here. So I'll play it. Boom, we sweep more liquidity. So I'll delete this. Let's turn this black now because this is the liquidity that we were watching. And I move this just underneath here. Let's get another low. So move this right here. Delete this liquidity now. I change this back to black. Keeps pushing up. Boom, now we delete this now. We put this one up. Well, both of them, and then we changed this black. So this is like the main liquidity that got swept, which is obviously all-time highs. Then I was watching this low right here. So I was waiting for a break of structure. Did we get that? No. Instead, we formed a new low right here and here. Obviously, this is the most recent one. And then we broke structure to the downside, literally from this wick here, leaving behind this imbalance right here and this imbalance right here too. So when there's two imbalances and I don't know which one to pick, I use equilibrium. So from this low, this high to low, this is not low just yet. Now it is. So we tap into the fair value gap, then we tap equilibrium, tap further into the fair value gap, and then we get a doji here, and then pretty much I want to see a bearish candle out, which we've got right here. So I went short pretty much here. I had my stop like at this high. First take profit was literally the 5-minute fair value gap that was literally just resting here. Second take profit was literally just this 5-minute high, like right here. Sure, I had another take profit just based off this low to give price really time to just breathe, and then final out like right here. So yeah, that is pretty much like how I entered. Like, not really how I entered. Yeah, it really is about how I entered, but like the confluences I used to enter this morning, and then I'll show you like exactly like my thought process again when price did switch bullish. So boom, I enter, and around the time I entered again, hourly switched bullish. So I'm like, damn, I'm now trading a retracement, whereas before I was trading the extension. So I know the chance of my trade hitting all take profits is pretty low just because of higher time frame structure. So At first take profit, I pretty much closed 50% here. And then I said to myself, cool, if we sweep a low and break above a high, because we've just filled a 5 minute fair value gap, I'm literally going to close it and the other half in position. And we get that right here, literally from here. So that's when I literally was fully out of the trade. So like my average exit was literally like around here. Pretty much very close to like a 1-to-1. And yeah, if I didn't do that, you'll see price actually comes up for like break even. So that was just me just using higher time frame structure and just being self aware of like the narrative that I'm running with the market, like exactly my execution too. I didn't trade this live again. Just testing something with my Discord, not trading live for a bit. And I'm just letting them be a lot more independent and letting them make the mistakes for themselves and really coming back to me so I can tell them, hey, you're doing this right and you're doing this wrong. Um, because I don't want to be the person that again like they're about to take a shot and I'm like, get out of the way, let me take the shot and snatch the gun out of their hands and pow pow, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be that person, so I want to do a bit things differently. Again, referring back to the TGR video that I was sent. So I I am taking that into account. It's kind of hard as like someone that's trying to teach someone how to trade, like to be like, hey, just watch this, watch me, and then you do yourself. It's kind of hard not to do that, but like you can't give your students stabilizers forever. So hey, they've been improving and they really like the change. So I know someone took a very similar trade to me, which we can go and look at. And you can see my MetaTrader as well, just for like, oh look, they're in they're trading New York session right now. My sons, my children. But yeah, this is my MetaTrader. You can see I entered literally from the candle close. I had my stop above the high, literally like the screenshot that you see here. Um, but yeah, and Necklace cooked today. Merck's cooked today again. Merck's is new, so it's really nice to see. Um, Kevin cooked today. Exactly the same entry. See this candle close from the Fair Value Gap after the break of structure and equilibrium. He took two entries though because he's a crazy guy. But but yeah, man, that's pretty much like how us. Anyways, that's pretty much how us in the group or in the private Discord really executed today. What we saw, some people saw the exact same thing, but they just decided to sit out because they wasn't confident or they just didn't see certain things, so they just sat out, and that's okay. And we're gonna go over it again this evening. But yeah, if you want to check out like all my trades, I'm literally posting them like obviously with the video within here as well, so you'll be able to see everything, like the confluences I'm entering off. If like watching a YouTube video is too much or if it's too long, then you can go over to this page and you can really just open this, read this, and then you can kind of see the confluences I'm entering. As long as you've obviously watched my videos of like my confluences that I enter, of you'll be able to piece things together just by that screenshot, and really just learn from that. But yeah, man, very good day today. We had a very good week. I literally haven't lost a single day this week. It's been good. I'm not gonna jinx it for tomorrow, but if it happens, it's trading. Its life is whatever. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. Again, I am no longer live trading for like a while. So if you have the intentions of like joining the Discord, the private Discord, and thinking that you're gonna get live trades, no, I'm not here for that. I'm here to actually try and turn you profitable and allow you to make mistakes for yourself. So you can come to me and I can tell you, hey, you're doing this right and you're doing this wrong. So keep sharpening you as a trader. I don't want you to be like I don't want you to just signal bot me. That's nah. That's why like again, I know I mean like trading live, it helps you to see that cool, you do this, you do that, and you can see my execution live and stuff. But that's why I'm starting to show my MetaTrader again, just to show you, hey, I'm actually doing this, and people are actually doing this too. Just taking putting a long or short term on a chart and saying, hey, yeah, I did this, bro. No, we need that MetaTrader, bro. We need that MetaTrader. Huh. Nah, I don't know why I did that. Anyways, yo, what the fuck? Anyways. Cool. That's really it from me. Guys in the Discord took advantage of the pre-market analysis and we did well. Proud. So yeah, man, this is kind of my message to them, to just keep going. Even to the guys that are not even in the Discord and even creating their own analysis and succeeding, keep going. You're doing well. I see everything. But nonetheless, I'm out. If you have any questions in regards to this trade, just let me know and I'll be more than willing to answer in the chat. But yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.